am thinking concerning the great speckled bird. Remember, her name is recorded in the pages of God's holy word. I'm proud I have learned of her meekness. I'm proud that my name is in her book. I want to be one, never fearing the face of my Savior to look. With all the other birds flocking round her, this is so despised by the flock. The great speckled bird is the Bible, representing the church of the Lord. When he comes a-descending from heaven in the clouds that he written in his word, I'll be joyfully carried to meet him in the wings of that great speckled bird. What a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning the great speckled bird.